Hey guys, John here. So today I just want to talk about my frustrations with myself as a beginner investor who's been doing this for less than a year. So if you've been following my channel, you would know that the focus of my channel has always been FIRE, financial independence, retire early. But somewhere along the way, I strayed from my fundamentals. My strategy has always been buy and hold, dollar cost average into the market, stay true to the path, invest early and invest often. But over the past 2 months, with all of the craziness that's been happening in the market, I found myself straying away from that. I found myself compromising my own financial situation by putting more money into the market than I should have. I found myself hoarding cash, waiting for the market to crash again. And I found myself investing in companies that I knew nothing about because YouTubers told me, like, this is the company that you need to invest in right now. And I don't know, I guess it was a little bit of FOMO, fear of missing out, thinking that I wouldn't get this chance again. And I'm frustrated with myself because I saw this all as like a test that I failed. I was an emotional investor. I was trying to time the market. I was straying away from all the fundamentals, and I wasn't sticking to the plan that I set for myself when I began this journey. So yeah, guys, I'm done. I am done trying to time the market. You know what? Screw it. I have made the choice to consolidate all of my portfolios and just put it into M1 Finance and just dollar cost average into that. I also changed my allocation so that the majority of what I'm investing in is VOO, which is the S&P. Frankly, common knowledge tells you that you shouldn't invest in something that you don't understand, and I found myself investing in things that I don't understand. And it was only within the last 2 weeks that I understood what a PE ratio was, or a dividend yield. And I'm kind of kicking myself because I thought, why am I investing in individual companies when I can't even read their balance sheet? And I don't know, I've just been frustrated with myself. If you guys couldn't tell this about me, I'm like super type A and I take things really hard, especially when I realize that I kind of failed. And I'm frustrated with myself because I'm 26. Regardless of what the market is doing, whether it's up or down, my strategy should be aggressive dollar cost averaging. I am consolidating all of my portfolios into M1 Finance, and I'm just gonna dollar cost average into that. 50% of that portfolio is gonna be VOO, or the S&P 500, be VGT, which is a tech ETF, XLF, which is the financial sector ETF, and the rest are going to be blue chip stocks, because even though I don't have all of this vast financial knowledge, I do know that blue chip stocks are good to invest in because they provide consistent returns. This is one thing I didn't talk about on my channel yet, but one of the stocks that I had in my Robinhood portfolio was called Luckin Coffee. And Luckin Coffee was hyped up to be like the new Starbucks. All of these like financial YouTubers were hyping it up. I bought into that hype and I put 8 shares into Luckin Coffee. And I bought it at like $47 a share or something. And then Luckin Coffee was accused of fraud and like lying about $300 million worth in sales or whatever. And now I can't even trade that stock. It's literally paused on like all of the brokerages. I can't trade it. Luckily, that's only like $400 that I lost, but still, like, it's because I strayed from the path. So yeah, YouTube, that's pretty much an update from me. I'm discouraged, but I'm ready to get back into it and stay true to the path towards financial independence. And if you're a young investor like me, don't make the mistake I did and try to time the market. It literally doesn't matter if you are young, because your strategy should be aggressive dollar cost averaging anyway. All right, guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned. I'm excited to show you guys my new M1 Finance portfolio once my funds settle in. And yeah, we'll take it from here. All right, peace out.